How to censor and restrict words in BuddyPress Activity stream. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to censor and restrict words in BuddyPress Activity stream. With this feature, your members cannot post specific words restricted both on status and comments. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and then Wall Settings. Scroll down until finding the Activity Moderation settings. Add the forbidden words by typing them and hitting Enter. And then save it. Please note this rule only works for non-admin accounts. Let's see the result. Members cannot add the words you already add to the forbidden words option. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.